Hi class, thank you for making it to the end of my ebook. You did a really great job with the word problems and I am so proud of you guys. Now, I'm just going to give you a little bit of an overview of why I taught you what I taught you. And I gave just a little bit of a paragraph. Now, I am going to read it and then I will explain it so you can easily understand it. Teaching children to count involves more than helping them learn the numbers 1 to 10. It involves helping children understand the meaning of numbers. This will help you begin to move towards matching one thing at a time with the number as they say it. So basically, when you are younger, there are certain things you will learn in school, and one of them is learning how to count numbers in order. I am preparing to help you later in your life with whatever job you decide to choose. Obviously, you guys are too young to pick, but when you get older, counting numbers will be very helpful in later schooling and just having a big job for when you grow up. So I hope you learned a lot from my screencast today and my ebook in total. And I'm so glad that I get to share my knowledge with you guys, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much.